But let me bring you the other big story that's coming from Tamil Nadu, which is on Vijay and the big controversy over his election affidavit. Yesterday, he filed his nomination in Trichy East. 2 days before that in Perambur of Chennai. And here's what's come to the fore. The two election affidavits that he's filed have two different points, discrepancies that have come to the fore. Let me just run you through exactly what it is. In Perambur, in his affidavit, Vijay stated that he has no pending cases, which by itself raised questions because of the fact that there is the Stampede case that's ongoing in which he's been named as well. So his Trichy East affidavit has made that correction. It lists two cases as pending. And then adding to the inconsistency, a 2025 case registered against him was not disclosed in the Perambur filing. And this mismatch has led to questions about what will happen next. Will Vijay have to go ahead and file his nomination all over again, in which case he has 1 day to do it? On Monday. Pramod Madhav is joining us with more details on this. Pramod, looking at the election affidavit of Vijay in Perambur, has it been rejected? Does it look like he'll have to go ahead and file his nomination again?
It surely is, Akshita, because this is the last day for us, for the state of Tamil Nadu to file the nominations, and we have the copies over here. But the important aspect is that after that, there is a period of scrutiny, post which it would be rejected. But the important aspect here is that, just like you mentioned, Vijay should have been much more careful, because on the kind of paper that we have, this is from Perambur, and here, even though the second one from Trichy East is mentioning two cases, one happened after he filed the nomination papers and went for a kind of a road show in Peravellur. It's supposed to be a campaign that turned out to be completely disastrous, causing a lot of trouble to the public. That's why the second case was filed. But just like the first you mentioned, the first one is about during a ramp walk, a person was actually thrown out of the ramp. We also took it like it's a very serious deal, and that case he did not mention, his team did not mention over there, as that FIR, Vijay's name is also over there, as per the report he has given to the second one. We did talk to the legal experts over here who claim there are multiple, Vijay has multiple chances to go file the give the affidavit over there. But the important aspect is that now it will be considered as false information and not accurate information, and EC, if needed, can take action over this, Ashita.
And the reality is that he's contesting from two seats and the affidavit looks different in both the seats. So it simply doesn't add up. One has to be correct, even if the TVK is going to defend this. Thanks, Pramod, for joining us with those details.